Hello YouTube, and I'm going to be telling you how to get a sound pack for GTA 5. So you want to open your Discord, open your Discord, and you're going to find this in the Screams Discord, sound effects. It's here. This is the
Yo, I'm drinking so much milk right now because I'm gonna hit 7 feet.
Right, so this is what the sound pack sounds like, so yeah. You want to download that, and then I'll take you here. Then you can click 2.7Z. Put that to the side real quick. Then you want to open your Steam, search your Grand Theft Auto 5, and then click here, Properties, Inside Files, and you want to browse the inside files. And then get the 7Z file, which is this one. Then it'll be Stealth Combat and APSP. Click here, browse, get these files ready. X64, audio, sound effects. Click these files, put them on the side here so you don't put in cutscenes. So you want to put it, copy to sound effects here. Replace the files, it doesn't actually replace the files, it just adds the files. And then you want to close these, close that, close that, close that. Then you want to open your FiveM. Then you want to sign in, not sign in, you want to log into your server that you're playing. Mine is you can Get Back Gang, 100k or die. It's a very good server. It's got a good community. It's very wholesome, lots of nice people you can meet in here. But you're just gonna wait for this to load real quick, and then the sound pack should already be enabled. But if there is any issues in the comments, just type them in the comments and I'll try and help you. And if there's a lot of issues, and I'll make another video discussing it. It's taking a while for the server to start working, but it shouldn't take any much longer. So we're loading in. Yeah. 100k or die. Pretty good to see. Right, so you're in here.
Get in there again.
Something like that. Kill someone. Something like that. It's a pretty nice sound pack. Pretty nice sound pack indeed. I'm not the best combater, but I'm pretty sure this could be quite good. Just keep going. Oh shit! I'm gonna shit myself. Where is he going, bro? Where is he? Oh, I'm just so bad.
Yo. Am I good?
You what?